Takže čaute ľudia, je tu zase Fajn SK a dneska taktiež so špeciálnym hostom a to je...
Nadík, dobrý večer.
Dneska sme si pre vás pripravili ďalšiu reakciu na video, samozrejme budeme aj spievať, pokiaľ chcete.
No a prečo nie?
Áno, chceme. Dobre, takže môžeme sa do toho pustiť ako pesnička Just Gold.
To by nezaujímalo.
Je to o Golden Freddy.
Však uvidíte sami. Myslím to, že lajky by tam mohli byť aj nejaký odber.
Áno.
Time for the main attraction. The story must be told. Time for a chain reaction. You never get old. Some bought their satisfaction, breaking the mold. Some bought are just distractions. Some bought are just gold. I'm not the bad guy. I'm just a bit surprising. It's not worth losing sleep. It's not worth analyzing. There was inside got so good at all. I was just like you. Can you hear my call? Now I'm here, over there. I'm checking in, watching and I'm being aware. In the mechanic, I check the key eye on the single sense with a new guy. Now I got a new kick, let me know if you dig. Ain't going home, so I better go big. Just got plans I can't feel beat. Here's a surprise, it's me. You may say that I'm breaking your mind. My opinion, you're much the kind. Time for the main attraction. The story must be told. Time for a chain reaction. It never gets old. Somebody's satisfaction, breaking the mold. Somebody's just distraction. Somebody's just gold. You did a good job watching those little screens. It was my server faster get to hear some fresh screams. So don't get me wrong, you were very brave. With super friendly singing animals you never came. I've been screaming, done explaining. No more facts are left remaining. You know just a bit, you're out of it. I don't wanna hear no more complaining. I'm down this golden opportunity. Scrapyard immunity. Let's ride and join the ride. You'll ever be a part of this community. They say that it's all in your mind. I think that you will find eyes. You are the main attraction. The story must be told. You are a chain reaction that never gets old. Somebody gets satisfaction, breaking the mold. Some thoughts are just distractions, some thoughts are just gold. You are the main attraction, your story must be told. You are a chain reaction that never gets old. Some thoughts are satisfaction, breaking the mold. Some thoughts are just distractions, some thoughts are just gold.
Takže ďakujeme za zhliadnutie tohto videa, dúfam, že sa vám páčilo.
No musím pochváliť Fineska, jak fajnovo to zaspieval.
Ďakujem. Môžete hodnotiť, koľko chcete bodov z 10. Je to len na vás.
To už je plný počet.
Ďakujem. No dúfam, že sa vám toto video páčilo.
Áno.
Uvidíme sa v ďalšom.
Áno, za nejaký čas. Pokiaľ dáte lajky, tak budeme viacej nahrávať.
Aj
spievať, aj odbery, keď budú po prípade.
Len aby ste vedeli, tak tieto videá sa ťažko spievajú, aj ťažko hľadajú na YouTube.
Presne tak, takže uvidíme čo aj ako.
Ďakujeme za zhliadnutie a dovidenia a peknú noc.
Pekný večer, peknú noc, držte sa, majte sa, ahojte. Zdraví vás Nadík. A?
Fajn SK.